shop that was employing a large number of developers who were doing software development. I'm probably looking at an AWS solution first for that type of a workload, just because those things tend to work really well there. That environment supports the scalability of test dev resources to very quickly and easily spin up and spin down servers on which those developers can develop and write their code and test their applications. If I'm looking to do something with a very structured backend SQL solution, and I don't really want to have to be in the business of managing and maintaining my underlying SQL server, then maybe I'm looking at a Microsoft Azure solution there where you can do what they call headless computing and actually have a SQL database running as a service through Azure, as opposed to actually maintaining your own SQL server. Maybe I'm in a position where, hey, you know what? The consumption or usage-based pricing models of the public cloud don't work for me because organizationally, I'm not sure how to properly predict my usage. So maybe, like many folks out there, I'm a little bit worried about cost control and a little bit worried about, if we go into an engagement expecting to pay $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, we find based on our utilization, we're actually spending closer to $25,000 to $30,000 a month. If those are types of things that are a concern to you, then maybe you do look at a private cloud-based solution, right? And hosting things out of the private cloud where maybe you have a more aggressive SLA, something like 99.999% uptime guarantee versus 99.99, so 5 nines versus 4 nines. A lot of different reasons why different workloads can go into different areas. And the reality is the future is likely for most companies a multi-cloud approach, right? How can you orchestrate your workloads between all of the different options that are available to you in order to optimize your performance, optimize your expense, cut costs where you can, but also ensure that the highest degree of the integrity and security of your data and the highest degrees of productivity and user experience, not only for your internal users, but for your customers as well.